Hey everyone, कैसे हो आप लोग? So in this video we are going to talking about objects of a class. So objects is a instance of a class. In reality, what exists is object. Basically, objects are real world entity of a class. Class are not exist. What exists is object. So let's talk about the coding perspective of a object. So here is a car class having three properties: name, model, year, and a constructor is basically initialize values to these properties, and then we have a display info method. Then we have created a car type object within the main method. How we create objects? We basically use class name, and then we choose name of our object. We can declare any name we want, then use new keyword. This keyword is very important because it is used to initialize memory of an object inside the heap area. Using the parameters, we basically give name of car Toyota, model name Camry, and year is 2022. And by using the reference of object, we can get the value of properties like name, model, and year. And also by display info method we can access the name and year and model of a car. So this is all about the object of a class. Hope this video helped you. If you are new in this channel, so make sure you like and share this channel. So thank you very much. Till then, we will meet in the next video.